Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. We are starting in a comfortable cross-legged position, taking a deep breath in through our nose and out through our mouth. Lower your right ear to your right shoulder, placing your right hand on top of your head and extending your left arm out to the side. Focus on taking deep breaths in and out through your nose. Switch sides. Let's come back to center as we drop our head back. And now drop your head forward. Again, drop your head back. And forward. Walk your hands forward, coming into your forward fold. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. And we slowly rise back up, extending our right leg out to the side, keeping our right toes flexed. Lift your left arm up and over for your side body stretch. Come back to center as you bend your right leg behind you. And we fold over that left thigh. Make your way back up as you extend your left leg out to the side this time, keeping the foot flexed. Come into your side body stretch. And we come back to center, bending our left leg behind us and folding over that right thigh. Let's rise back up, turning to face the front of our mat with our legs straight out in front of us, and you can open your legs a little bit as you slide your hands down, coming into your forward fold. Make your way into your tabletop position on your hands and knees. Let's take a big body circle to the right. And to the left. Curl your toes under, sending your hips up and back for your downward facing dog. And we just shake our legs out a little bit, bending one leg and then the other. Let's straighten both legs and press our upper body a little bit closer to our legs, feeling a deeper stretch here. And back into your tabletop position. Begin to lower your pelvis down towards the yoga mat, coming into your Cobra, maybe dropping your head back. Make your way into a child's pose, sitting your hips back onto your heels. We thread the needle by sending our right arm across our body. You can keep that left arm straight, or you can place your left hand next to your face. Switch sides. And let's end class by coming back into our child pose. Take a deep breath, breathing in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Be sure to like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.